to put grades on the assignment cards or test cards. Here's how. Once you log in, it'll drop you into the classes. Go to Gradebook, go to Assignments. Search for the class that you're teaching. English Algebra 1H class. Notice all the cards that were created. Also notice that the not mirrored cards. That means that these cards are not yet shared with the students. Notice the mirrored cards that are not graded, and these are the graded cards. If you want to grade this card, you can click on Enter Grades. Give them a score. It's out of 30. You can say 29, and it'll tell you it's a 97%. Then submit grades. And if you go to exponents and power up, there's 3 students in this class. There's only 1 student because it's only for that student. Mirrored view card. You notice that it'll take you to the plan board. Let's go back to the assignments, Algebra 1H, go to the exponent, enter grades. I can put 49, 5, 40, 50, no, say 55. Because he did the extra credit. Submit grades. Submit grades. Now you notice that the graded pill here lets you know that you've finished grading this. You go view the card, and then it's done because you've graded every single one.